So I was mentioning that a new form of conservatism regime set up in 1815, and this conservatism were autocratic in nature. These autocratic rulers, they did not tolerate any type of criticism and dissent, and they sought to curb activities that questioned the legitimacy of autocratic governments. The meaning hereby that the old autocratic government, which were restored in different parts of Europe, that cannot be questioned. They were having the authoritarian power once again. They restored the old authoritarian power once again. And most of those rulers, they imposed censorship laws to control even the newspaper, so that the newspaper, the books, plays and songs, they cannot reflect the ideas of liberty and freedom. The ideas of liberty and freedom which was associated with the French Revolution, those ideas were completely crushed by these new conservatives. Now, the new group of people created in Europe after 1815, and they are called the revolutionaries. The revolutionaries from 1815 to 1830, this new group of revolutionaries, they once again try to bring revolution in different part of Europe, and in particular to that of the France, and to establish the democratic form of government, the republic form of government, by dethroning once again the new conservative ruler. Dear friends, the years following 1815, the fear of repression, repressive measures by the rulers haunted the mind of the liberal nationalists, and they all went underground, and they formed different secret societies in many parts of Europe, and they trained revolutionaries and spread their ideas, and the ideas was that of the nationalism only. It was not unjustified, but in the eyes of the new monarchy form of government, this was illegitimate. These new revolutionaries who wanted once again revolution to dethrone the old monarchy form of government, they formed different organizations all over the Europe. Most of these revolutionaries also saw the creation of nation states as a necessary part of the freedom struggle. One such individual, dear friend, was the Giuseppe Mazzini, who was born in Genoa, not Geneva, Genoa, in 1807, and he became the member of a secret society called the Carbonari. So you must underline it, that Carbonari was a secret society of the revolutionaries who wanted to bring a republican form of government in different parts of Europe by dethroning the new monarchy form of government. As a young man, Mazzini, he was sent to exile in 1831 for attempting a revolution in Liguria, and later on he formed two more secret societies, underground societies. One was called Young Italy. This he formed in Marseille, and then Young Europe in Bern, Germany, Marseille in France. So Young Italy was formed at Marseille, and Young Europe was formed in Bern. These were the two secret societies, and the members of these two secret societies were the like-minded young men from Poland, France, Italy, and German states. Dear friends, Mazzini believed that God had intended nations to be the natural units of mankind, So Italy could not continue to be a patchwork of small states and kingdoms. That is, the nature has created Italy as a single unit, as a nation. But these autocratic rulers, they have divided Italy into smaller states. That is not acceptable. So